Hi, Ashley from the Misma here. Just wanted to share one more tip with you, and this one is quite possibly my favorite. It actually will help you boost efficiencies within your practice, be more proactive towards your clients, and just increase your communication. So I know from being in practice myself, one thing that we really struggled with was letting all of our clients know the amount of tax due. It wasn't that we struggled with it, it's just that it was time consuming and um, yeah, it took one person a whole day to go through and remind everyone. So within the MISMA on the left menu, we've actually got the ability to schedule emails, and we've got email templates as well. So within the email templates, we've got tags where you can completely personalize every single email. So I'll show you this. We can add a new template. These are templates that I've just been playing about with in my account. But when you add some, you can add a template name. So you could call it self-assessment tax reminder. And then you could put a subject which the client would see. And at the bottom here, you've got tags. So if I was to begin building this email, you could put hi, first name, hope all's well your end. And you could pull through other tags. So tax due amount. Your tax due is tax due amount and is due to be paid on the 31st of January. And then if you wanted to go one step further, you could add a second payment on account. So down here, we've got second POA amount. You are also due to pay payments on account as a result of the level of your untaxed. And is, and then you can put your tag in. You can copy these as well. There's a good reason why I'm not copying them, and it's due to the fact that I've got an email signature that I want to add to this as well. So second, and then once you're happy with that, you can sign off and you can add an email signature. So you can actually copy and paste images into this. So if you have an email signature that's in your Outlook or Office 365 or any email provider, Gmail, you can copy that signature and paste it directly into the system, and it will save it. All of the links will work, and it will just work like your normal signature. So you can save that. Enter a subject, tax payment reminder. And then when you come to schedule emails, you can select all of your clients that you want to schedule emails to. You can just select email all if you wanted to. So I'm going to select email all. There's 42 clients I'm sending this to. I select my email, self-assessment tax reminder. This is the email that I've just drafted. It's got my signature. And then you can select your time and date, the subject, and you can schedule that. So if I was to schedule it on, say, the 30th of November, there you go. So 42 emails are scheduled to be sent on the 30th of November. And if you wanted to cancel that or view a list of all of your scheduled emails, in the top right-hand corner, you've got this view schedule emails. And then you can see it, and you can select to change the time, view it, edit it, or delete it. So I'm just going to delete that because I don't want any emails being sent. Chances are all 42 will be my own on this test account. So let's delete that. There you go. So there's no more emails scheduled, and it's as easy as that. And you can schedule these for the future. So if you wanted to set one up for the 31st of January now for all of your clients, you can. If you wanted to set one up for the 31st of July 2021, you can. So it's entirely up to you what you do with this, but it's so powerful and it will save you so much time. And if you're not doing this already, your clients will really appreciate the proactivity from you. So I hope this helps. And as always, if you need anything, feel free to get in touch. Take care. Bye.